100 eh.
Weh, sige na ako na. After pay.
Hindi guys tayo man.
Okay, masigip yun eh.
First possession, Yolanda. 2 points for Kapampangan. Alibutan 3, wala. Rebound reach. Pass to O'Brien. Steady on the line. 4.8 seconds to shoot. Santos. Wala. Reach. Wala rin. Rebound paligudan. Paligudan. Layup. 2 points.
Battery lang.
Ikot. 6.
Brian pass to Toman for 3. Bang! 3 points, Toman. Francisco, wala. Rebound. Reach. Galang mo sana kung tayo Cabral. Cabral, layup, 2 points. Francisco, Ross, Cantor Rock, rebound ni Kenny. Abot na kay Pierre Walay. Drop ball, UCS ball.
Thank you, boss.
2 points for Josh. Score 92, 7.3 by Yolanda Holmes. Ross, pass to Paligudan. Paligudan, out of bounds. Yolanda ball. Josh for 3. Wala, rebound.
Nakabili doon na yun. Nakabili. Ayun ako.
Number 14. Montilla.
Ross for 3. Wala, rebound. Rich. Carlos Yolanda.
Simbahan na.
Cabral, pass to Noah. Josh, Santos, 2 points. Kenny, good jumper. Malakas, rebound reach. It's still by Paligudan. Paligudan drive. Pinasa pa kay Ross. Wala. Rebound Cabral. Nakita si Santos. All along for easy 2 points. Yeah, pass to Kenny. Same ball. 6 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds. Yelan, wala. Rebound. Santos. Santos, pinasa kay Noan. Arbas, UCS ball. Official score 13-2, 11-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. Official time 5 minutes 7 seconds. Ross. Finger Matilda, pinasay Kenny sa loob. Kenny, pinasay paliguran. Paliguran, wala. Iwan Cabral, pinasakay Cabral, Josh. 2 points. Side out, UCS Ballers.
Kahit mga 200 ba?
Yung mechanic.
Nagbayad po.
Nagbayad.
Alin?
Ng ano, yung forfeit.
Kamera.
Yung parang fee.
120. Nasa rules naman natin.
Magkano? 120.
Steal by Nova. Counter steal by Francisco. 3-on-3. Francisco pinasa talibutan. Steal by Cabral. Pinasa kay Rich. 2 points. Trap. Second. Traveling violation.
Number 6. Ako yung buhay. 0-6.
Cabral pinasa kay Santos. Santos. Wala. Rebound. Kenny. UCS ball.
Hindi naman talaga eh.
Ross. Kenny. Napulot. 2 points. Doman, 3 points. Malakas rebound di paligutan. Paligutan is fouled. Foul number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. Ross for 3. Wala. Rebound. Montilla. Hindi nakuha ng kaunti. Rich nasa kay Cabral. Cabral 2-2. Wala. Rebound Rich. 2 points. Francisco. Binasa kay Ramos. Ramos. 2 points.
Kata si Rockmer.
Cabral, nasa kay Noman. Nasa ulit kay Noman. Santos, 2 points. Good assist by Kuya Noman. Ramos, wala. Rebound ni Cabral. Titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Kuya Noman. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound paligutan.
Isa pa.
Adrian.
Rebound Montilla. Montilla. Hulga. 13 seconds shot clock. Sabi ko sa rep. Rocker back in. Who's out? Montilla. Rocker mask number 06. 13 seconds to shoot. Kenny. 2 points. Still by Ramos. Ramos. What is foul? Ball number 19.
Shooting.
Number 19, first personal foul. Second foul.
Dito, okay na po.
Yolanda ball. Cabral, Castro, Josh, pinasakay. Isa pang Cabral, wala. Rebound, Cabral, 2 points. Triplets, nasa loob. Puro Cabral. Ramos, corner 3, bang! 3 points by Jalen. Patrick, pass to Carl, pass to Christoph. Carl, Patrick, Carl, sinasa kay Patrick, wala. May foul. Foul number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. Two points for Patrick Nolan. Still guard. Advance.
Lahat meron tayo na lang nung ano eh. Nung kapit niya ano. Pangalan. Ibanez. Yung nilalagay sa sapatos. Para pumunta dito ng player.
Oo. Pang Sunday.
Sub next rep.
Advance. UCS ball. Substitution ref. Support in. Rojas out. Rahma. Pass to Kenny. Kenny sa loob. Malakas. Rebound. Christoph. Pass to Josh. Josh. Wala. Rebound pa rin na yung Carl. 2 points for Carl.
Kuya si Dico tsaka si Gusto.
Paligutan. Drive. Pass to Kenny. 2 points for Kenny Sumor. Nico. Pass to Kuya. Pinasa kay Rich. Kuya. 2 points for Kuya Cabral. Ball number 0, Wash, first personal, first foul. Rocker. Pass to Paligutan. Paligutan, 2 points. Patrick. Pass to Josh. Pinasa kay Carl. Sa loob, wala. Thank you, Tito.
Tilo pa. Sub.
Advance. Substitution rep. Advance, Yolanda ball. Rich. Pinasa kay Josh. Pinasa kay Adrian. Josh to Rich. Corner 3. Wala. Rebound. Christoph, 2 points.
Parang Kevin lang, no? Rushman.
Kukugan na malungkot siya, wala naman.
Rocker. Pass to Paligutan. Tindira ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Montilla. Pinasa kay Josh. Here by Josh. Rich. Pass to Adrian. Pinari kay Rich. Pinari kay Adrian. Pinira ng 3. Bang! 3 points for the 3-point king. Kenny. Pass to Rocker. Pinasa kay Kenny. Pero kapek. Para ba? Single. Sabi ko sa rep. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Arwax. Josh, pass to Adrian. Pinalik kay Josh. Pinalik kay Cristo. Cristo, pinasa kay Patrick. 3 seconds violation. Time out. UCS Ballers.
May call ba? Tangan may naglalagi ng bangko ko. Gago ko.
Back to the ball. Ross. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound Montilla. Pinasakay paligutan. All around for 3. Bang!
Depensa natin sa Lewan. Kasi yung dalawang wing tamad eh.
Tamad. Sino yun?
Hindi, kahit
Kaya wala. Rebound Kenny.
kaya takad na kung mabal sa wing na ano.
Tres.
Kaya mas maganda man to.
Paligutan ulit. Wala.
Tapos yung dalawa.
Rebound Cristo. Pinasa kay Josh. Josh pinasa kay Patrick pero may steal di paligutan. Paligutan. Wala. Rebound Montilla. Montilla pinasa kay Kenny. Wala. Rebound Kenny ulit. Steal by Adrian. Pinasa kay Santos. Santos pinasa pa kay Josh. 2 points.
Sino niya? Josh.
Ross spins twice. Santos pinasa kay Josh. Adrian, wala. 2 points for Patrick Noman. Ross. Diretso. Pinasa kay Kenny. Wala. Rebound Santos. Josh. Wala. Rebound Rockner. Rockner. Drive.
Sub. Sub.
Foul number 23. First personal foul. Second team foul. Salvation. Jelani. And seconds. 2 balls for Rockmer. Josh. Pinasa kay Adrian. Pitira ulit ang 3. Wala. Rebound for Rockmer. Nasa kay paligitan. Liga na. Drive, flash up. Wala. Rebound. Josh. Ay pa si Adrian. Ngali kay Josh. Josh. Pinasa pa kay Santos. 2 points for that. Santos. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Jenna is fouled.
Second.
Foul number, double foul. Foul number, foul number 23 of Yolanda. Patrick Noman. Foul number 16 of UCS. UCS.
Tumingin pa eh, no? Si Rob.
Saan?
Sa'yo, habang kumakanta.
Buding?
Gooding.
Kenny, pinasa kay palibutan. Corner jumper.
Ha?
Wala. Rebound, Kenny. Kenny is foul.
Third.
Foul number 23, Patrick Noman. third personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Kenny Sumbong. First shot, good. Second shot is good. 1 out of 2 para kay Kenny. Patrick naman, nakawe. Pero foul. Foul number 16, Jayan. Second personal foul, first personal foul. 17 seconds to shoot. Patrick, pinali kay Kyle. Kyle, Pinoy. Step to ball.
Hindi yung tira niya kanan. Pero kaliwa.
Pag umatake siya, kaliwa.
Ross, corner 3, wala. Rebound, Rich. Pass to Patrick. Patrick. Wala. Rebound. Santos. Wala. Rebound. Ni Christoph. Rebound. Paligutan. Wala. Rebound. Santos. Pass to Patrick kay Santos. Rich Aliot, 20 points. Ross, Apex, sa likod, completed. May steal. Carl, nasa sa kay Rich, 2 points. Kenny, sa loob. 2 points for Kenny Sumbong. Power move.
Gago. Hindi ka na, boy?
Dylan is foul. Foul number 13, Christoph. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution ref, Montelia in. Kenny. Rocker out. Alright. 17 seconds to shoot. Paligutan inbound, pinasa kay Magdilia.
Ano?
Magdilia. Pinasa kay paligutan.
Ako yung pera ko.
10 seconds. Paligutan for 3. Wala. Ano ba? Foul number 16.
Sap.
Substitution ref.
Foul number 16 ah. Si Jaylan.
Jaylan, third personal foul. Second team foul.
Masundo kayo, B-boy. Traffic. Okay, train ka na lang.
Josh for 3. All goal, air goal. Rich, pinasa kay Patrick. Wala, siguro ni Kenny. Pinasa kay Jaylan. 2-2, Jaylan against Santos. Jaylan. Malakas. Rebound, Montilla. Wala.
Gago ka ba?
Patrick, 2 points. Ross. Pinasa kay Kenny, roll of pass. Kenny, pinasa kay paligutan. Paligutan is foul. Foul number 23. Warning for graduate. Fourth personal foul, Patrick naman sa substitution ref. Rocker in. Jaylan out. Francisco for 3. Bang! Patrick. Pass to Santos sa loob. Santos reverse. Malakas. Rebound. Rocker. Pinasa kay Kenny. Kenny. Pinasa kay Montilla. Montilla. 2 points. 22-point lead na lang ang inahabol ng usual. Rich, pass to Christoph, corner 3. Malakas, rebound to Rocker. Rocker. Side step, pinasa kay Francisco. Francisco, tumira, 2 points. 7-0 run. 6-0 run. 7. Patrick Kellow, pinasa kay Rich. Fakes, drives, pass to Christoph. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Adrian E. Christoph out. Inbound. Pass to Montilla sa loob. 2 points for Montilla. Josh, babawi. Sinasulog, ating Rocker. Rocker, pass to Jalen. Nagsadi ka lakas, Sarumans.
Francisco, Jalen. Try to pressure up a bit. Come on. Stop it, huh? Francisco. Go. Sige. Stay with him. Go, Francisco.
Adrian, that's to Patrick.
That's all right.
For 3. Wala, Rocker.
Go, Francisco. Hey, look up.
Palibutan. Then, hindi na lock ng ring. Patrick, wala rin. Lumiban ni Rich. Wala na rin Rich. So, wrong. Palibutan. Ayaw ni Patrick. Palibutan, drives. Reverse. Wala ulit. Rebound, Santos. 2 points for Josh Aguilar. Rich rebound. Pass to Josh. Josh left. 2 points.
Paligutan.
2 points for Paligutan.
Hands up, boys. Hands up. Pressure up, Francisco. Go for the ball.
Josh pass to Patrick. And seconds to shoot. Santos, 2 points. Francisco kinaliwa, wala. Rebound Rich. Josh, back to Rich. Sinagsak pa kay Adrian. Rebound.
Hard ball.
Wala. Rebound Santos. Foul number 5, Francisco Ramos. First personal foul, 30 foul. Adrian, top of the key, 3. Wala, rebound Rich. Pass to Josh. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Rocker. 5 seconds. Rocker. 2 points. And of the third quarter, official score 58. Last quarter. Yolanda ball, Yolanda. Rich. Offensive foul, huh? Mark Santos pala, Mark Santos. Second personal foul, Mark Santos. Kalibutan, fake, drive, layup, hooligan ni Mark. Team Ayusin. Jalen against Cabral, short. Iwan Cabral. Jalen, steal. Jalen, tumatakbo against Cabral. Jalen, wala. Josh, no pass to Obrada. Santos, 2 points.
Nalilito na. Ganda ng pasa.
Adrian, malakas, rebound Rockman. Francisco, 3-on-1, pass to Kenny, 2 points.
Saan ba siya?
Adrian, pinasok mo kay Santos. Santos ulit. Tumira, pero may foul.
First.
Kami susunod. Foul, Kenny Sumo. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Mark Santos.
Yun lang na nag-withdraw. Okay. Oh, dalawa si Kenny pala. Kanina.
Wala. Rebound Rockman. Kalibutan, pinasa kay Roas. Masyado malakas, Arubas. Nolan, for 3. In and out, rebound Cabral. Pinasa loob, steal by Rocker. Rocker, 3-on-1. Kalibutan, 2 points. Face-off, wala. Rebound, Mark. Josh Alov is foul. Foul number 29, Kalibutan. First personal foul, second team foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Naman. Sa loob. Simple para kay Adrian. Naman, 2 points. Rocker. Pinasa kay Kalibutan. Corner 3. Malakas. Pero single.
Go, Pogi!
Rocker. Pass to Kenny. Pinasa pa kay Kalibutan. Bank shot is good.
Go, Pogi!
Christoph for 3. Malakas. Rebound Rocker. Montilla, pinasa kay Kalibutan. For 3. In and out. Rebound. Kalibutan pa rin. Pinasa pa kay Kenny. 2 points.
Shoot mo, Pogi!
Adrian, pass to Chris. Pinasa kay Josh. 8 seconds. Josh, wala. Foul. Foul number 14, Montilla. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Sabi doon sa ref. Going, sorry. Morales in. Montilla out. 2 shots for Mark Santos. The shot is good. Second shot is good for Mark Santos. Official score 64-44. 3 points by Jalen Ramos. Guard, right, 2 points. Francisco.
Next game.
Wala, rebound Rich. Hi, pinasa kay Mark. Wala, rebound Rich. 2 points. Steal by Guard. Pinasa kay Christoph, 2 points. Jalen, pinasa kay Paligutan. Paligutan layup, 2 points. Foul number 16.
UCS. Court.
Number 16, fourth personal foul.
Jalen ba? Jalen ba? Si ano?
India, no free. Wala.
Hindi si Jalen na. Hello, sir. Ako 16 kasi na ito.
2 points for Francisco. Rich, aliw pass to Christoph. Wala. Aliw to Rich. Wala. Aliw to Christoph. 2 points.
Sino yan? Si Rich.
Two points for Jalen.
Ready na?
2 points for Carl.
Ano ba?
Rob, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound.
Yes. Thank you.
Out of bounds. Sabi ko sa rep. Josh Lee, Santos out. R, nasa kay Rich. 2 points. Jalen, wala. Rich, baseball pass. Intercepted by Maligura. Out of bounds, same goal. Josh, Rubira, wala. Rebound, Francisco. Pass to Jalen. Jalen against Josh. Reverse. Wala. 5, 4, 3. Wala. Rebound, Christoph. Wala pa rin. Kenny. Pinasa kay Jalen. 2 points. Adrian, back to Rich. 5, 6. Pinasa kay Josh. Wala. Mapila for the winner. Pinasa kay Paligutan. Paligutan, 2 points. Adrian for 3. Wala. Rebound. Loses ball. Kenny, pinasa kay Paligutan. Paligutan, 2 points. Christoph, 5 to 3. Bang! Buzzer beater by Christoph. And at the ball game, official score 79-59.